What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you some steps to do in order to fix the desktop view on your Shopify store. Now if your Shopify store isn't showing correctly on a desktop or any computer, you might need to try these steps. The first step I would recommend is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Now probably or sometimes if you are using a web browser such as Chrome, Brave, Firefox, Safari or whichever web browser, sometimes the issue is with your cookies and cache memory. So if you go to your browser and clear them, that sometimes resolves the issue. Now, if the issue is still on, the next step or the next thing you want to try is to go to your online store. Click on your online store right here, and it'll open up a page here. You want to click on themes, which is the first one selected by default, and you need to customize your current theme. Or just try and install another theme. If this fixes the issue, you can go back to your current theme, uninstall it or remove it, and then install it again. Or if the theme needs update, you can update it. Now in the theme editor here, you can view here all the elements. So the announcement bar, the header, the image banner. So if it shows here correctly, as you can see, the image banner shows correctly, the featured products is showing well, the footer, everything is showing as it should be. Now, sometimes the issue is with a certain element here or a certain section that is causing the error. And in most cases, what causes the problem is a section that is related to an app. So let's say you installed an app from the App Store on Shopify and you added the section here for the app, and that might cause the problem. In this case, you can go ahead and remove the extra apps or the extra sections related to apps and try, and that in some cases resolves the issue. Now to make sure, just go here to apps, add apps, and you can go here and view the apps that you installed from the settings. Here, the apps and sales channels. You can view all the apps that are installed here. Since this is a newly created account, I don't have any extra apps. However, if you are suspecting that a certain app is causing the problem, you can right click here and uninstall the app and view your store. If it resolves the issue, then you know that this app is causing the issue, and if you need it, you can install it once again and try to add the sections on the theme editor. Now another thing is in code. So if you have edited the code here, click on edit code in the theme. If you've edited or added a code section that might cause the issue, you might want to go ahead and remove the code that you added, and in some cases that resolves the issue as well.